everybody, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle, and this is the monthly grocery collab. Our amazing hosts are Small Town 6 and Tiffany and Jessica from Jessica Myros. Please check out their channels and all the ladies in the playlist in my description box. Today, me and my husband took a trip to the Brown Bag Market. And we're going to show you what that was like and show you what we got. Trip to the Brown Bag Market. This is their fresh meat and their frozen and their frozen section of the market. They do have some frozen baked goods. Some of them are 30% off. They also have some other different things like little chicken nuggets and different things. And now we're showing some of the seasonings. They have a lot of bulk seasonings and different things for cooking and spices. And this is their refrigerated section with their different salads and things. This is more spices that they have. They have a big selection of different spices for grilling. This is some of their canned food, and they got candy, sugar-free candy, and taffy that you can buy in bulk. And this is some of their dips. You can try their dip mixes, which were really, really good. And they also had cheeses. You could try their cheeses. And they had a lot of different canned goods that you could try. And sauces and different things. That was pickled beans. They also had a big selection of dips and different things that you could make different little recipes out of. And each container had the recipe to make it on the container, which was really, really nice. I picked up a few of those myself. They also had a lot of different kinds of granola, a lot of mixed chocolates, and dried fruits. We really enjoyed their dried bananas. We got a bunch of dried bananas, and they were really good. And they were only like $1. They were $1.40 a container for their dried bananas, which we thought were really good price. Other little trail mixes. This is their baking section, which had a lot of different things you could get for baking. And baking mixes. And even soup mixes. This is their deli counter. We got a lot of things from the deli counter. They had both Troyer's and Gutenberg cheese. This is popcorn, which came from Marion, Ohio. It was called Buckeye Popcorn, and I know that's from Marion. And they had a lot of baked goods. waffle mixes and little jellies. And they had these are cookies, and I think they had donuts too there. This is their candy corner, which had all kinds of different things. They also have a place where you can get a fresh sandwich. They do paninis, and you could pick up cookies or something to take with it. Great for picnics. First, we got a spinach dip mix. It was really good. We tried it at the store. The store. It's the name of the store is the Brown Bag.
No, Brown Market.
Brown Bag Market. That's where our Amish haul came from today. And this was really, really good. It was a Southwest dip. And we also got a salted caramel dip. It was really, really good. I can't wait to try to make that with a few things. Dad liked the dried bananas, so he got him some of those to take to work. He can chew on those while he drives. And I got some pretzel. And he got a third thing of dried bananas. They had 30% off all frozen desserts. And these were pumpkin bars. So he picked those up too. Here I got some corn meal. Thought I might make some cornbread. Some chocolate wafers for melting. Or what do they call them? They call them milk wafers. And I also got a pink one, which is like the white chocolate. And then I also got a glaze for a strawberry pie. They had strawberry, they had red raspberry, they had, I think, blueberry, and a couple other flavors. Okay, first we got Baby Lace Gutensberg Swiss cheese. We got 2 pounds, $15. We got Colby, 2 pounds. I think this is Gutensberg too, and it was $14.22. Marble mini slice, they call this. It's the cheddar and the Swiss, and it was $13.79. This is chicken breast. This is like the KFC chicken, and it's $9.39 for 2 pounds, which is pretty good, I think. This is ham, reduced sodium ham, and it was 2 pounds, and that was $10. And this is chicken breast, reduced sodium, and it was $10.82. Our total was just a little bit over $100 from the Amish market. I think it was $130. Let me know if you think we did too bad for that. A gallon of milk at Kroger's. We got 2 things of marshmallow whip for a dessert I'm going to be making. a pack of ballpark hot dog buns because we're going to do some grilling out. Okay, we got 3 Big K root beers. My husband Thad loves to take these to work with him. So he got 3. They were $1 each. And we had 60 cents off 2. So made them 70 cents for 2 of them. Okay, Thad got some chocolate cherry truffle ice cream, a Country Crock butter strawberry Philadelphia cream cheese, a big thing of Cool Whip for a dessert for Easter, cottage cheese, that's going to be for Easter because I'm going to do lasagna for Easter this year.